Wow, 2 episodes in 1 week. Happy January 31st to those who celebrate. Here in the United States, it is W2/1099 day. And what that means is it is time for you to print out. I mean, it's like the deadline, like today is the day. So make sure that anybody who hasn't received their tax documents yet, get them a digital copy if they're open to that. Otherwise, get those babies printed out, take them to the post office, get them postmarked. Thankfully, it's 2024. E-distribution is a lot easier than it used to be, but many people still want paper copies. You might be lucky enough to have accountants or payroll software that handles your tax documentation distribution, or if you're in a small enough company, or maybe you are the assistant in the accounting department and the job falls to you. Make sure, drop what you're doing, print those forms, get them in the mail. I'm not an attorney. I'm not an accountant. I'm not an IRS agent. I am simply an executive assistant at a company of 2 who the responsibility of tax documentation distribution falls to. Next year, I'll give you all a little bit better heads up than on the day, but I figured that late is better than never, and technically it is still the deadline. You can watch out for other fun things throughout the course of the year, things like daylight savings time, which is coming up. Daylight savings time, I don't know. Both have been accepted as correct answers on Jeopardy. So if Alex Trebek was wrong, I don't want to be right. But, you can look for daylight saving time. You can look for reminders monthly, weekly, hopefully not, but you never know, monthly, quarterly, annually. There's just a handful of things that we all do that, apply in different ways, shapes, and forms. And sometimes it's nice to have a little reminder. So, again, I feel like the reminder is it's better late than never. But if the last few, days, weeks, months, years have been as bonkers for all of you as they have been for me, sometimes a little reminder is just what you need. So, should this important task fall within your purview, don't panic, but do make it a priority today. Breathe. That's important. Drink some water. Maybe take yourself on a nice little walk when you go to the post office to get your printed, addressed copies of your W-2s, 1099s postmarked and sent off to your fellow esteemed colleagues. And take care. I'll be back for a new episode soon.